Every time you peel a fresh orange or tangerine, what is the first thing you do with those white, fibrous parts surrounding the sweet fruit? You likely strip away every single bit of the white pith, discarding it because it tastes slightly bitter or feels too tough to chew properly. But there is a bitter truth the pharmaceutical industry rarely mentions. That white pith you just threw away contains the highest concentration of vein-saving compounds. You are spending hundreds of dollars on imported supplements, while the original medicine is sitting right there in your kitchen trash can every single day. Welcome to Thrive After 40. Today, we reveal how to save your veins using the very thing you have been throwing away for years. That white layer, known as the albedo, is a powerhouse of bioflavonoids that can literally help rebuild the valves inside your tired leg veins. Look at the back of any famous vein support medication from Europe, and you will see two names, Diosmin and Hesperidin, in a specific ratio. Scientists do not create these in a lab from scratch. They extract them from millions of tons of citrus peels and piths globally. These compounds are the gold standard for treating chronic venous insufficiency, acting like biological cement to repair and strengthen your fragile vascular walls. Nearly 90% of effective vein medications are derived directly from the citrus family, yet we pay a premium for the processed version. The secret lies in the 9-to-1 golden ratio of Diosmin and Hesperidin, which maximizes the absorption and effectiveness for your blood vessels. Why pay for expensive packaging and marketing when you can absorb these vital flavonoids directly from the natural source for absolutely zero cost? After 40, the collagen fibers in your vein valves begin to wear out, becoming loose like an old, overstretched elastic band in your clothes. When these valves fail to close properly, blood pools in your lower legs, leading to that heavy, aching sensation and those unsightly blue bulges. When you consume Diosmin and Hesperidin, they immediately work to suppress the inflammatory enzymes that are slowly eating away at your delicate vessel lining. They stimulate local collagen synthesis, effectively stitching the valves back together and restoring the elasticity that has been lost over many decades. Once the valves are sealed tight again, the pressure is relieved and the swelling in your ankles begins to vanish from the inside out. This isn't just masking the pain, it is a structural repair of your vascular system using the building blocks nature provided in the pith. Diosmin increases the vascular tone, making the veins less distensible, which prevents the pooling of blood even when you stand for long hours. With consistent intake, the microcirculation improves, meaning those tiny spider veins have a better chance of fading away over time as well. The heavy lid-leg feeling you experience at the end of the day is often just trapped fluid that your veins can finally move. Meet Mr. Sun, a 62-year-old retiree who spent a fortune on imported supplements but still struggled with painful, swollen legs every evening. He felt trapped by the cost and the lack of permanent results until he discovered the power of the humble citrus fruit pith. He started a simple new habit, saving the white parts of the oranges his family ate and drying them out in the afternoon sun. Every afternoon, he brewed a simple tea from these dried fibers, turning what was once trash into his most powerful healing tonic. After 2 months of consistency, the results were undeniable. His ankles no longer showed deep indentations from his socks at the end of the day. The bulging veins on the back of his knees had visibly flattened, and he could finally enjoy long walks without the agonizing heaviness. He didn't just save money, he regained his mobility and freedom by using a remedy that was sitting in his kitchen all along. His story is a testament to how simple, natural interventions can outperform expensive chemical alternatives when we understand the science behind them. Now, let me show you the medical-grade protocol to extract these flavonoids safely and effectively without the bitterness you might expect. Step 1. Always start by cleaning the fruit. Soak your oranges in a mix of water, salt, and baking soda for 15 minutes. This is crucial to remove any pesticides or wax from the outer peel, ensuring that your homemade remedy is pure and non-toxic. Step 2. If you want to eat the fruit fresh, only peel off the very thin colored outer layer where the oils are. Eat the slices with all the white pith and fibers attached. The sweet juice of the orange perfectly balances the slight bitterness of the pith, This is the best way to get live Diosmin directly into your system, providing the highest bioavailability for your tired veins. Step 3. For a soothing tea, brew the dried pith with 90-degree water, adding a slice of ginger and a teaspoon of honey. Ginger acts as a natural circulatory booster, helping the blood move, while honey completely neutralizes any remaining bitter notes in the drink. The best time to drink this is between 4 and 5 in the afternoon, right when your legs usually begin to feel heavy. This simple daily ritual is a powerful anti-gravity tonic for your vascular system, keeping your legs light until the very end of the day. True health doesn't have to be expensive. It often just requires a shift in perspective and a little bit of ancient wisdom. Remember these 4 keys. Keep the pith, wash it thoroughly, drink it in the afternoon, and stay consistent for at least 3 months. Collagen regeneration takes time. Be patient with your body as it works to rebuild those internal structures one day at a time. Which of these citrus fruits is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below so we can share more tailored tips. If you found this secret valuable, please subscribe to Thrive After 40. We are dedicated to uncovering the forgotten truths of nutrition. Start your journey to lighter, healthier legs this afternoon. Don't throw your medicine away anymore. See you in the next video. Every single fiber you consume is a step towards stronger veins and a more vibrant life after 40. Stay healthy, stay informed, and always remember to cherish the simple gifts that nature provides for your well-being. Nature's design is perfect. We just need to learn how to use every part of the gift we've been given. Your heart works hard every second. Give it a break by helping your veins return that blood with much less effort. Share this knowledge with your loved ones. Protecting vascular health is a gift that keeps on giving for generations. The golden color of this tea is a sign of the concentrated flavonoids ready to rescue your tired leg valves. Imagine ending your day without the throbbing pain or the need to keep your legs elevated for hours. Small changes create massive ripples in your long-term health. Start small, but start today. This is your pharmacy. It's affordable, it's natural, and it's backed by decades of European medical science. Clean, strong, and resilient veins are the secret to staying active and mobile well into your 80s and 90s. Walk with confidence again. Let your legs carry you wherever your heart desires without being held back by pain. The power of the sun and the earth is captured in these fruits. Harness it for your healing journey. Build your own natural apothecary at home. It's simple, effective, and deeply rewarding for your body. I love reading your success stories. Your journey to health inspires this entire community at Thrive After 40. Life is meant to be lived in motion. Don't let preventable vein issues slow you down from enjoying it all. This tea is more than a drink. It's a daily commitment to your own longevity and physical comfort. Stop the waste. Start the healing. The choice is in your hands every time you eat a piece of fruit. Every slice holds a secret. Now that you know it, you can never look at an orange the same way again. You have the power to change your health. We are just here to show you the way. Stay strong. Sleep better knowing your circulation is supported and your body is repairing itself naturally while you rest. Thank you for watching. Your path to revitalized veins starts with the very next orange you peel today. Explore our other videos for more life-changing health hacks that you won't find in standard medical brochures. Thrive After 40, because your best years are still ahead of you. Be well and keep thriving every day.